I'm really fortunate to have taken this ADA micro compliance, micro credentialing course. I've learned so much. I came in with very limited tech knowledge, and the course was really user friendly, able to integrate the different values and program tools that help enhance documentation and digital materials.
I have gained practical skills that I can bring into the social work practice and organizational setting. Specifically, I have learned how to make documents and digital content accessible by using features such as structured headings and probably formatted tables and forms. I have also developed knowledge of ADA and Section 508 compliance.
My competence with digital document remediation allows me to enhance the experience of users of all abilities who are accessing your documents. By accurately designating semantic information, such as headers, I can make your documents easier to navigate for all users, a particularly useful feature for quickly accessing desired sections in long documents. Further, I can enhance the color contrast properties of your documents, slide decks, and data figures, improving both accessibility and comprehensibility.
These skills would be an asset to university research centers and organizations providing social services through ensuring that education and services delivered via online platforms are accessible for a broad audience that includes people with various disabilities. Not only would this improve education and service delivery, but it would also contribute to ADA and Section 508 compliance and promote the organization's reputation as one that values diversity and inclusion.
Providing accessible documents helps an agency reach a wider audience. I've been already implementing this at my current placement by making sure that PDFs we distribute are properly tagged and can be read accurately by screen readers. Furthermore, communities like to give their time to organizations that demonstrate that they truly care. Although making documents more accessible may take more time, it will definitely make people feel included and welcomed, which should always be the goal at our social work agencies. Overall, these skills from the micro-credential are very valuable to the social work field.
The ADA remediation micro-credential has provided me with an abundance of transferable skills that would be applicable to any social work-based organization. While learning these remediation skills, I was exposed to the broad extent in which individuals with disabilities face barriers when attempting to read a document or navigate a website. Individuals with physical disabilities are often an underrepresented group when it comes to discussions of reform and ways to increase inclusion. Therefore, I have been inspired to advocate for such communities and apply my newfound skills whenever possible. In this way, my assets would be beneficial to any number of careers as their application can promote inclusivity and respect for all persons, thus increasing an organization's positive reputation and effective delivery of service.
I think this plays really well into my field, my chosen field of social work. I think accessibility is equity, and we need to consistently be honoring, our accessibility, diversity, inclusivity, justice, and belonging. I think belonging is huge. Being a neurodivergent learner myself, I definitely look to take this class to see how I could best produce my products, my policies, my practices, to be more compliant and be more accessible. I think through that, considering that 1 out of 4 people have a disability, wanting individuals to participate fully with comprehension and not experiencing unnecessary harm or stress or duress over materials that are just not comprehensible is I think at the core of what we do with our trauma informed human rights ethics and principles.